This 2023 Winnebago Sunstar 33K is a Class A RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a TOWN and COUNTRY, BWN, SALOAKDK interior, sleeps 6, slide out, and 93 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2023 Winnebago Sunstar 33K is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.